feeling today?
Hungry.
Okay. Every answer should be in English, okay? Okay.
Here's the first question for you. If you were a guava, why? Let me repeat the question. If you were a guava, why?
You have 10 seconds.
Mike, thanks.
10, guava.
9, 8.
You don't know why guava? You know that guava is rich in vitamin C? Yes. That fruit is the one of the richest in vitamin C.
Balik-balik.
Okay, is that all?
Again.
If you're a guava, why?
Because, you know, when I was a kid, I used to climb in a guava tree without going to school.
Yeah.
Una'y gitawag na mayabas ko sa una.
Is that all? Thank you very much. This is lesson number 1. Lesson number 2.
Balot! Balot!
Okay, your question is.
Ako diha, ako. Saman.
English.
Sabay ka na di? Okay, the next question is, if you are a cactus, why are you here?
I'm cactus. Because cactus is floating. And you know what? My feeling now is floating. And cactus is merino. You know, it's very tiny little itches. It's itchy now, you know? It means I'm catul. I'm floating and catul. That's why I'm cactus.
Okay, thank you so much, Karen, number 2.
Bulok! Bulok!
That's lesson number 3.
Okay, here's the question.
Ako ng manok.
If you were to die tomorrow, why not today?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, here's the question. If you were to die tomorrow, why not today?
No budget.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm a little bit.
Again.
You say I'm still alive today. Can
Okay, I did not say.
Okay. Last again, last.
So the last time. If you were to die tomorrow, why not today?
I will not die today.
I will buy the
Still mango.
It's not really, come out of my mind. Like this.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Would you?
It's really hard for me to,
Okay. Do you want to in dialect
Yeah.
or an interpreter? Would you request an interpreter here?
Interpreter.
Okay.
Okay, in Bisaya.
Okay. We'll give you a chance. We'll give you another question.
Ano, taka walay budget.
Kay mangita pa ko.
Malbing katiron. Gasa mo sus.
What is the most important? Bulat. Asa tuleng? Ikaw to ni text na ko. Oh, sige. Here's your question.
Okay.
Bisayaon ako karon kay para...
No, we cannot understand that.
You can say it in English.
Aside sa imong nawong, unsa pa lain imong problema na parte sa imong lawas?
Okay.
Okay.
But if you have for me,
Okay then.
my face, it's okay, and my little problem is just in my stomach. Every now and then, it's starting to be bigger and bigger.
You're pregnant.
I don't know what's inside here.
Oh,
Okay, thank you.
okay. Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Now, we welcome candidate number 4. Next question niyo. Okay, here's your question. Asa ka mic?
Magtulat na ron.
Okay, here's your question. If you were stranded on an island, do you have a choice? And why?
Before I answer the question, can you repeat the question?
Not a problem. Okay, once again, here's your question. Okay, if you were stranded on an island, do you have a choice? And why?
Where's the island?
Any island.
It depends.
I'm serious, where's the island?
Which island?
Can you repeat the second part of that?
Not a problem. Do you have a choice? And why?
Quiet. Of course, yes, I have a choice because I am a human being.
You're monkey.
How sure are you?
Again, I will. Of course, I have a choice because... Shit. Of course, I have a choice because I am a human being and as part of a creation of God, we are given the chance to choose because we are not perfect and we know that we have our decision. Thank you.
Okay. Continue.
Yes.